looking for. I think they're looking for me. Guarantee it. Ready? Right there? Yeah. Right there. Yeah, right there too. Oh, they're everywhere. Dude, they're looking for somebody. That dude got his light flashing. That cop just moved back up and around. They might just be looking for shit that they dropped. Oh, it's not the cop that just moved back up and around too. Poor bastards.
This video just dropped from Ian Brenshaw. I'm hoping I'm pronouncing that right. Ian Bresnahan. Holy cow. This is wild. So definitely go over to his channel, subscribe, hit the like button. Unfortunately, I think he has the comments turned off, but he's out there. I don't even really know where this guy's from. If you can email me at the Armed Fisherman, Mr. Ian, please email me. So let's get into this. This is freaking crazy. Oh shit.
It's funny, after I make that walk, I start walking back. 4 cops appeared out of nowhere. I don't think they're looking for anybody in particular. Most importantly, you can't for me because I don't do nothing wrong.
Leave me alone, please leave me alone. Leave me alone, please leave me alone.
I love it. The other cop though pulled up right over there. Oh, is that another one coming back? I can only imagine.
Here I come. Oh, here I come. Oh.
Yep, ready. Let's see if he's dumb enough.
Stupid! You're so stupid!
Let's see if you do it, buddy. He gonna try it. Yeah, the second one right here. Yes! How we doing this? We doing it illegally or not?
So you're telling me there's a chance?
Yeah!
You work for Northport? You work for Northport? Badge and name. Badge and name. What is it? Green? 372 name? Green. What? How about you? What is that? McRon? Negron. Okay, my bad. And who's this? Sergeant Shields. Okay, so he should already be informed about who I am for the last year now.
Yeah. Welcome to the club, bud. It took me 5 years to get Florida in line. So just keep doing what you're doing and keep educating them. And hopefully none of this will ever happen to anybody in your state. Please, if you know where this guy is from, leave it in the comments section because I am completely clueless on where this guy lives. So, all right, let's keep going.
According to Commander Myers, you, those two who have been watching me for the last, I don't know how long now. I've been watching you all go back and forth, especially with the undercover white one. Right there. Good call. I'm legal.
I don't know who you are. Never met you.
That's fine. All I know is I'm not answering any questions because I haven't done anything illegal. So I'm going to continue my nice walk like I do every night around this time between either 1 and 5 a.m. I'm going to continue my walk because I've done nothing illegal.
And just for any one of those trolls out there or anyone that's like, oh, time, place, and manner. There's no time, place, and manner on my Second Amendment. I'm allowed to carry my gun 24/7, 365, no matter what. The only places that I can't do it are in federal buildings and things of that nature. But other than that, if I'm walking or I'm going fishing, I can carry my gun. So don't think there's a time, manner restriction. It's just about certain places.
Well, I see you've obviously got 8 police cruisers here, so I'm just trying to figure out if it's okay. Why do we need 8 cruisers? You didn't put your gun down, buddy.
Because we got a call that's been walking down 31 with a rifle, so.
Yeah, which is completely legal.
Okay, what are you doing?
I just told you. I can gladly reiterate what I just said, though.
Okay, go ahead.
I'm taking my usual every night walk between 1 in the morning and 5 in the morning. I'm allowed to have this. You can take your light off me.
I just can't see you next door.
That's fine. You don't have to. We got a set of lights right there, plus 2 more. Then that one, that third one, and that one peeking off of the vehicle back there. You got enough lights on me, plus his. You don't need me. You can turn it off. I'd like to see who I'm talking to. What's your name? Because you're the second officer to draw a gun while getting out of their fucking vehicle. So I'd like to know what's with the excessive force and threat.
That's the wild thing about this, is that like I said, I do not know what state this is from. Obviously they have an open carry law or a constitutional law. I do not know. But they're willing to try to intimidate this guy to a point where he doesn't want to do it anymore, and he's not scared of him. And they know that.
Okay, so go put your gun back away. There's no need for it, especially when I haven't done anything illegal, especially after I've already spoken with Commander Myers, who should have already notified you guys I'm legal. Stop harassing me. I will make this very clear. Only once. Stop harassing me whenever I go anywhere. I've made it very clear to Commander Myers and everybody within that police station, especially on the numerous complaints I've already written up on Officer Klein and Officer Mill for ruining everything I had going for me and then destroying half of my shit. You guys can leave me alone. I'll make that very clear. I'm trying to enjoy my nice peaceful walk and go home. I've done nothing illegal. Nothing on me is illegal. Yeah, take pictures, I'm assuming, just so you can pass it around? Yeah, go figure. Yeah, you let Officer, Commander Myers know, too? What's your badge number and your name?
Officer Dickbag.
Badge number and name. What is it? Commander Lyons? Lewis. I can barely hear you, bro. We got construction going by. Yeah, so if you could speak up, that would be greatly appreciated.
Commander Lyons. What's your name?
Don't worry about it. I've done nothing illegal for you guys to even ask me what my name is. And that goes by your commander. So if you want to take it up with him, more than welcome to. Or do you work for somebody else that's not the Northport Police Department? Or do you work for the Northport Police Department?
I'd like to talk to you, if you're not going to tell me who you are. I've got nothing really to say.
Cool. So we understand why the fuck y'all harassing me for nothing then. Have a good day.
Bye, bitch.
And like I said, Ian Bresnahan, I believe it's Bresnahan. If I'm messing it up, I'm truly sorry. I'm not trying to ruin your name. His link will be in the description. The video links will be in the description. Please go over. There is more to this video. I stopped it right there. There is plenty more to this. So go over there, watch the rest of this, or actually watch the entire thing. Because it's, as you can see, it's just wild. So go give him a sub. I don't believe that he has his comments turned on, which is unfortunate, so that we could let him know that I'm sending you, but it is what it is. So go over there, just give him a sub, give him a like, and don't forget, hit that like, share, and that subscribe button. And I'm out. Soloyaker, deuces.